Tired of seeing outdated addresses popping up every time you shop on Temu? Let's clean things up. First, open the Temu app on your phone and look for the U tab. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. This takes you to your account overview. Now, find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear or cog. Usually at the top right corner of the screen, tap on that settings icon. In the settings menu, you will see different options. Look for address book or something similar. It could also be named shipping addresses. Once you find it, tap on it. This is where all your saved shipping addresses are stored. Now, find the address you want to delete. Next to each address, you should see an edit option or a delete option represented by a trash can icon. Tap either option. If you select the edit option, it usually opens a new page. If you selected the edit option, scroll to the bottom of the edit address page. Here, you should see a delete address button. This is the final step. Tap on the delete address button to permanently remove that address from your Temu account. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the address. Double check that it's the correct address. Then tap confirm or yes to finalize the deletion. And that's it. The address is now successfully removed from your Temu account. Repeat these steps for any other updated or unwanted addresses. Keeping your account updated is key to a secure and private shopping experience.